The second-generation NSX should has been on sale for a couple of years now, but its sales haven't been very encouraging. To keep the Japanese supercar relevant, rumors have suggested that Acura is plotting a lighter, more powerful Type R version of the NSX. In fact, there's been talk about the Acura NSX Type R since the 2015 Detroit Auto Show before the standard car even went on sale earlier this year. Rumors of the NSX getting the Type R treatment were reignited by Acura Vice President and General U.S. Manager Jon Ikeda. "A car guy, so always faster performance vehicles, yeah, we like that, we talk about it," he said during an interview with Australia Motoring. Nothing was confirmed, however. "We all see anything can happen," he teased. "They're always proposals," before revealing there are currently no plans for an Acura NSX Type R. However, a new report by Japanese site Spider7 claims the hotter NSX has been given the green light for production. According to the publication, the new Acura NSX Type R will be revealed in 2019 before going on sale in 2020. While the standard NSX packs 573 horsepower, the Type R version is rumored to increase that output to 641 horsepower. Power will be sent through the same dual-clutch, 9-speed automatic transmission. The biturbo 3.5-liter V6 will also borrow components from the race-spec engine that powers the rear-wheel drive NSX GT3 race car. Like its Roadchecker sibling, the NSX Type R is expected to feature a more aggressive body with copious amounts of carbon fiber and a large wing, adding more downforce to keep the car planted. Nothing is official at this point, but a couple of mysterious NSX prototypes were spotted at the Nürburgring last year with sensors tracking their lap times. This could back up claims that Acura is working on an NSX Type R.